Got a package from White Mountain Knives. Let's see what's inside. Kershaw Culpepper in copper. Oh. Ooh. Okay. Simple box. Okay, another simple box. More foam. Multi-function shovel. All right. And here it is. This is the SRM 1421. Oops, Fantasy with titanium handles, G10 insert. Let's crack it open. Oh. Oh, I'm pinching the lock bar. There it is. This is a new knife from SRM. And not sure how long it's been on the market. It's got a 3.6-inch blade of N690, which I've been told is somewhat like 440C, more like VG10. The fit and finish of this knife is pretty okay, but some things do stand out right off the bat. Like, it's a front flipper design, which I'm not very good at. Not very good at yet, anyways. But blade centering in the handle looks not quite perfect. And also you can see daylight through there. So I'm not sure what that's about. But the idea here is that you can click this guy, create a lock that keeps the blade open more. It does look like ball bearings inside, which is good. Yeah. The reason I purchased this knife is because I really like these. Well, I want to try getting a front flipper. Try my best to see what that's about. I really like these sort of slender style knives. The two on the right are ones that I carry every single day. Kershaw Culpepper and a Benchmark 940. So I saw this as fitting into that sort of same idea. So one of the drawbacks of the 940 is that because it has such a narrow blade, narrow in this dimension, it's not the best slicer. So I'm wondering to see if this SRM will fall into the same sort of negative drawback. I don't know if it will yet. I haven't tried cutting anything with it. It's a very interesting design. I don't know. My initial impressions are a little disappointed about the fit and finish, like this gap in here. I don't know if like just excessive force crunching down will fix that or not. I also don't know how it'll hold up over time. Definitely a unique design. It's the first frame lock I've owned in a long time. And it's got a milled titanium pocket clip, which I'm not too big of a fan of. I think honestly, something like a loop over clip is much better because I much prefer the deep carry position. A, because it keeps the knife deeper in your pocket and less likely to lose it. And it's also much more discreet, less obvious. But a lot of people seem to like milled titanium pocket clips, so I'll see how I enjoy it after carrying and using this knife. It is pretty difficult to actuate, at least for me. It'll take some getting used to overcome the detent. We need some additional breaking in. Struggling to do it on camera. Also because I don't have that much room. The action is pretty smooth, as far as I can tell. Yeah. So maybe it's just a user error. I guess that's it, kind of. But yeah, part of why I was interested in picking up this knife was because I saw it on sale for about $70 when the normal price is closer to 100 or 110. So I was interested in picking it up. And yeah, like I said earlier, it sort of falls in the same idea of having a very slim, compact knife. Kind of, it is really thick in this dimension, thicker than the 940, which is already not the slimmest pocket carry style knife. But I'm glad it's not that wide in other dimensions, which is kind of why I wanted to pick it up and just kind of see what it's all about. Cool. Let me know what you think about it.